हाय गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। आज मैं आप लोगों को दिखाऊंगी मेरा ये प्रोजेक्ट मेड विथ HTML CSS एंड JavaScript। दिस इज़ अ गेम रॉक पेपर scissor. This is the HTML code. You can pause and see the whole code, and this is the CSS, which is main thing. You can also pause here and see the all code I write for the project. And the very main thing is JavaScript, which will help me to work the project, work the game. You can see the whole code I write for it. And now let's watch the final project. This is the project. You can see, I know it's not that good, but I tried my best. Here is the rock paper scissor. Let's play it. The game was a draw. You can see I choose rock, I won, and scissor, I lost. So you can see the game. I will play multiple times. I'm losing, so here is the final output. So that's all. Thanks for watching. If you like my video, subscribe here and give like, subscribe. Thank you. Bye bye.